This video will show you how to search for 3 different publication types in the CINAHL and MEDLINE databases: practice guidelines, systematic reviews, and journal articles. From the library homepage, select the Databases link underneath the search box. Click the Health, Human Sciences and Social Work link to view a list of subject-related databases. Scroll down and open the EBSCO Databases link. From this screen in EBSCO, you can select to search multiple databases at a time. Today, I'm going to search CINAHL, so I tick the box next to CINAHL, and I also want to search MEDLINE. So scroll down, find MEDLINE, and tick the box next to MEDLINE. These 2 databases are the core health databases that you'll use most. Once you've ticked both of those, scroll down and click Continue. This is the EBSCO search screen. Here you enter the different keywords that make up your research topic. I'm searching for documents relating to the nurse's role in the self-management of asthma. When a database has multiple search boxes like this, you can type each concept that makes up your search onto a separate line. On the first search line, I've typed asthma, and I've put an asterisk at the end of the A. This is called truncation. You put it at the stem of a word to find different word endings. So this will find asthma, but also asthmatic. In the second search box, I'll type nurse. This time I'm putting the asterisk at the end of the S. This will find nurse, nurses, and nursing. In the third search box, I'm typing a number of different keywords that could be used to refer to the self-management concept. So I have role, educate, self-manage, self-care, or behaviour. I have put double quotation marks around both self-manage and self-care. Double quotation marks tell the database to search 2 or more words as an exact phrase in that exact order. You can use the asterisk truncation inside the double quotation marks in EBSCO. So for this example, my search will find self-manage, self-managing, self-management, and so on. If you scroll down on the search page, you can see that there are different limits or filters available. But it's a good idea to first run your search and find out what kinds of results and how many there are before you start applying any limits. So I'll just click search. Now from this search results page, those same limits are appearing on the left-hand side of the screen. So I can start to limit my search to make these results a little bit more relevant. The first limit I want to apply is to only find more recent publications. So in the date range boxes here, I'll just type a year. I might look at the last 5 years. So I'll type the 2017 and just click out of that, and that will automatically update your search. The next limit you can apply is the publication type. To view all the different publication types, you need to click Show More, this little link underneath the date range box. So on this pop-up window, if you scroll down, you will see there is a heading for special limits for CINAHL, and there is another heading for special limits for MEDLINE. So with the publication type, you need to select it in both CINAHL and in MEDLINE. Let's try practice guideline to start. In the publication type box, I'll just scroll down and select practice guidelines for CINAHL, and then I'll do the same in MEDLINE. Then I'll click search. So now we can review these results to check whether these papers are relevant. You can click the magnifying glass to the right of an article to view the abstract or a brief overview. To view the full text of a document, you will sometimes see a PDF full text or this option, linked full text. You can click the Find It buttons. The Find It buttons run a search in the SCU collection to check whether we have the full text of that paper available in a different database. In this example, this paper was available from a different subscription, and here I can access that in full text. Let's change the publication type so that we can have a look at some systematic reviews. Again, I'll click the Show More link underneath the date range, and I'll just scroll down, and I'm going to change the publication type to Systematic Reviews. Do that for CINAHL, then I'll do the same thing for Medline. So there we have 66 systematic reviews on my topic. You may now decide that you'd like to limit your search a little bit further. For example, maybe you only want to read papers that relate to adults. There are a couple of ways to do this. You could click the plus symbol here where the search boxes are to add a fourth search line and maybe type the word adult. There is a more precise way to do this in CINAHL and Medline, and that is by using the built-in age limit. So if I scroll down on the left-hand side, there is a heading there for age, so expand that. And one of the options here under age is for all adults 19 plus years. So I can choose that and limit my search to only 11 papers that relate to adults. Finally, let's have a look at limiting our search to journal articles. Again, click Show More, and I'll scroll down to change the publication type in CINAHL to journal article, and I'll also change the publication type in Medline to journal article. Click Search. I've got more results this time. A couple of things have just happened. The age limit that I had applied has been removed, so I just need to add that back in. So scroll down again on the left, expand out the age heading, and again I'll choose all adults. The other limit that's relevant when you're searching only for journal articles is to limit to peer-reviewed. So in the EBSCO databases, it's easy to do this just by ticking this box here that says scholarly peer-reviewed journals. This will limit my search to only the highest quality peer-reviewed literature.